Forget what we're told before we get too old. Show me that garden that's bursting into life. Let's waste time chasing cars.